How has Evita gone from 0 to 500,000 followers in just 6 months? And not only that, she's made over $500,000 in her first 6 months just on Instagram, just using organic traffic. Oh my god. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you her strategy, why it's worked, and how you can start implementing her strategy into your marketing, so hopefully you can get similar results in the next 6 to 12 months. Let's get started straight away. Okay, so firstly, what we're wanting to do is we go to a website called Social Blade. We're going to scroll down and we're just going to do a little bit of research on her Instagram page. So she's uploaded 186 uploads. She's following 100 people, 514,000 followers, which is amazing. 0.74% engagement. So that's really, really low. Now, sometimes when I see engagement that low, I instantly think fake engagement. However, I'm very good on picking up different personality types and if someone's legit or not. I don't think Evita would be buying fake followers. Yeah, absolutely not. So I think because she's got such high followers, a lot of them aren't engaging. Average likes 2.5 thousand. Like, that's amazing. I've actually never seen it 1,000 before, the average comment. I don't think that's correct. It might be, I'm not sure. That's not really important, this stuff. What I want to have a look at is this. This is very, very important. So here, 62,000 followers in the month of September. And then it slowly drops to 29,000. Now, what's strange is she actually loses a lot of followers. So from December to January, so she's lost 7,000 followers. She's still lost 6,000. So she's actually losing followers now, which is insane. And I know why, and I'm going to explain that in the video. Monthly gain following. So that's just her following. That doesn't really matter that much. Monthly gain media. So this is also interesting. So she wasn't posting that much here. She still was posting, but not as much as here. But what I want you to have a look at is, can you notice how this part here, she was actually gaining, 34,000 followers to 62,000 followers per month. That's a lot of followers. And she wasn't posting that much. But the more that she posted, the more people dropped off. That is very, very interesting. So it could be that the more you post, the less people engage, or maybe they're just overseeing your stuff. So what I want to do is have a look at Evita's Instagram, and we're going to go through what she's actually doing, and we're going to evaluate why is this actually happening. Okay, so we're on Evita's Instagram now. 514,000 followers, that's a lot. She's made over $500,000 in 6 months organic. A lot of that has to do with selling stuff, her coaching, stuff like that. That's not the impressive thing. The impressive thing is the fact that she started a brand new account and she's grown to 500,000 followers. That's the impressive thing. Making money isn't actually that hard, because when people know that you're growing so fast, other people will spend money. So that's not the hard part. The hard part is actually getting the followers. But what I want to go over is what she was doing at the very start. So let's just click on this. Here's how to do step by step, blah, blah, blah. So more importantly, I want you to have a look at what she's doing for hashtags. So this was her first video. Can you also see that she's using trending audio? So most of her videos, she's either speaking, she's getting out her phone, and she's doing, tutorials. When she's not doing that, she's using trending audio. So it's a very good combination of how-to videos and tutorials, but also doing another form, which she's actually doing now. What I'll do is I'll pause this, as in mute the audio. One thing to pay attention to here, and for those that don't know, I've been a marketer for 13 years. I've helped companies, business owners, marketers, coaches, marketing teams. We've done about $25 million in 4 years just with extra revenue, and I've become very good with strategy and learning why things are working. So one thing, this is her first video, and it's got, let's just go back. I think this had about 40,000. Okay, so this was her video, her very first reel. It had 42,000 views. Now, not many people get that straight away. She was very, very lucky, but there's a reason why. So let's play. Again, it's on mute. See how quick this is. So she's showing you what to do, and this is very, very important. So quick video, but because it's so quick, if you just read the comments. Now, we're not going to read the comments. The screen moves so fast in Visual Learner. Can I see it slower? Blah, 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 blah. So what people are actually saying in the comments is, it's so fast. Can you do it slower? But as a result, people need to watch it 2, 3, maybe 5 times times, maybe they need to save it on their phone. Maybe they do a screen record and slow it down. But this is why her account took off. It's because people had to watch this video 2, 3, 4, 5 times because it's so fast. Now, maybe she didn't even realize, but this is the reason why. Now, you mix trending audio with all the hashtags. Now, one thing I like about Evita is she's not fake. She's just a normal person, you know, girl next door that you want to be friends with. She's not dolled up with makeup. She's not fake. She's just a normal person, and that's why people resonate. So if we play this, see that? It's just her looking at the camera in her car. You want to follow her. And again, look how fast this is. You're not going to learn anything by watching this once. So you have to save this on your phone. So that's a massive tip to start using in your marketing, whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, whatever it is that you're doing. Fast videos, you're still showing people what it looks like at the end, which she did, but you have to watch it over and over again. That is perfect. So that's how she built up so many views on her first video. Now let's go over her most viral video, which is, I think it's got like 12 million views. Let's just scroll up. Okay, here. So 1.7 million, but this one got 11.6 million. Let's just play this and see how she got so many views.
Instagram hack, I bet you didn't.
Okay, so there's a little bit of music in the background. Instagram hack you didn't know. Look at the way that she's doing this video. So again, she looks normal. She's walking, normal background. When people are normal, you resonate more with them rather than a coaching video where someone's wearing a suit or someone's trying to look a certain way. Evita's just a normal person, and she sounds like you could be her friend, yeah? So it's almost like you're following a friend rather than you're following a business coach. Huge difference. Let's play this video.
Go to your story, click on layout, select the foregrid, add 4 photos of your product or brand, save as an image, go to create a reel, upload that image, click on the sparkle, find filter photo booth scroll version 2, like this. Click on the sound icon, add trending audio.
Okay, we better pause that because this is going on YouTube. You get the picture. So she's using trending audio. Again, she's doing a tutorial video. Now, more importantly, the thing with this is no one's going to use that to build their business. But what Evita knows is it doesn't matter what you think is going to actually help someone. What matters is people want dopamine. They want things that look cool. They want to waste time. So even though you know that doing this little thing is absolutely pointless, she also knows that a lot of people are interested in learning different things and it's fun and it looks good. This is why it got so many views. So the start of this video, again, her with a normal background, almost looks like a story, yeah? And then she's doing a fun tutorial, all these hashtags that she uses in all her videos. We're also going to go over what she's doing with the hashtags as well. So if we click on this video here. Okay, so look at these hashtags here. Let's click on a random one. She's using those hashtags. Let's click on random one, hashtags. So she's using 30 hashtags and usually they're actually the same. So hashtag, hashtag, hashtag. Now this is where people go wrong. And this is exactly why I'm doing these videos, because I've become very good with strategy and learning what people are doing. So she was using a lot of hashtags at the start to train the algorithm. But what people don't know is they go to what she's doing now. Look what she's doing now. We'll pause that. No hashtags. Pause this. No hashtags. Let's go this one. No hashtags. So she's not using any hashtags anymore. I wonder why. That's because her Instagram, the algorithm, Instagram and her profile has all the data already. She doesn't have to use hashtags anymore. But what people do is they want what Evita's doing. So people might go to Evita's stuff and they're like, I want 514,000 followers, so I'm just going to copy what she's doing. So they copy this video word for word, but then they work out why they're not getting views or followers, because she's trained the algorithm. She doesn't have to use hashtags anymore. So a lot of you people with new accounts aren't using hashtags. You need to be using hashtags if you're a new account. Now there's so much BS out there regarding hashtags don't work. You need to use 30 hashtags. You only need to use 5 hashtags. You only need to use 2 hashtags on this, between 0 to 100,000. And then everyone just says random stuff. Literally, I've seen videos with millions and millions of views, and some use hashtags, some don't use hashtags. It's just, does your Instagram account have the data? So Instagram and YouTube and Facebook, whatever it is, because like all social media works the same. You need to have the data in your account. When you have the data in your account or in inside your profile, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, they all know who to send your videos to. This is why Evita doesn't use hashtags anymore. But a lot of people that are copying Evita aren't using hashtags and they're wondering why they're not growing. Okay, so my advice, when you're following someone and you're wanting their results, you always want to go to the very start. What are they doing at the very start? You want to mimic what they're doing at the start. So this is like a how-to video, viral sound, some keyword, content, social, content plan, Canva. So she's using a lot of keywords here. She's also using the hashtags and it's a fast video. Okay. Now what I want to do is we're going to be going over her stories. So this is her story. So I'm currently in her account now. We're just going to click on growth. Okay. And this is where she starts with day one. But I'm the queen of starting over. There's something about new beginnings. So day one, okay, so perfect. So she's documenting the process. People don't want to do this because they have an ego. They don't want to be seen as starting from zero, yeah? Because that hurts your ego. Whereas what Evita's done is she's telling you she's starting again from zero. So people follow her because they want to see her progress, okay? Had my first follow. So again, she's making people feel special. Okay, so she hit 100 followers very, very quickly. So 7 posts, 131 followers in 6 days. Let's just fast forward a little bit. 603 followers. Now there's a specific post that I want to show you. This one here. Her very first video here, 8th of July 2023. Yeah, so 8th of July 2023. 3 weeks later, she only gained 4,000 followers or 4,000. Now, look at this, 49 posts. So she did 49 videos in 3 weeks. Some of you people don't even do 49 videos. You might do 5 videos or 10 videos, get no followers and give up. So the thing I like about Evita is she just kept going. She just kept going. She documented her process and she knew that if she kept doing this, she would gain a following. And obviously she's got 500,000 followers now and she's making $500,000 in 6 months with her coaching now. So very, very key. 49 posts. Now you might be thinking, what are these 49 posts? Let's go over her posts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, but let's just click on a random one. Okay, so that's, again, normal video of her, someone that you can be friends with in real life, hashtags, bit of content. Let's go to this one here. Let's see. Okay, so this is the part series Instagram hacks where she's showing you what to do. So how Evita grew so much so fast is all of her content was about how-to videos and tutorial videos, not 5-second videos, not 7-second videos. Her first videos were how-to videos. How to do this, how to do that. People need to watch the entire video to learn how to do something. That's how she grew so quickly. A lot of people don't know this. Now, if you can mix a fun video, what she's doing, use a trending audio, train the algorithm here, and then you get people to watch the video more than once. If you do that 2-3 times a day, like Evita did, I think she said that she did 60 videos in 30 days, which is insane. Yeah, no one's got time to do that, but she did because she started over and she believed in herself that she knew that if she kept doing this, she'd eventually get, a big following. Now, maybe she didn't think that she'd get 500,000 followers. Maybe she wanted to get 10,000 followers, but 1 or 2 videos blew up. Now, here's the thing. Not all of your videos are going to go viral, but she had videos that got 12 million views, which is insane. The same thing's going to happen to you guys. You might not get these views. Here, 3.5 million views, 1.3 million. There's nothing special about what she's doing. What she's doing extremely well is being able to normalize being normal. See, people are sick and tired of going on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and seeing this fake lifestyle. What Evita's done really well is she looks like a normal person. When you watch her videos, you don't feel like she thinks she's better than you. You actually feel like she's a normal person. Maybe she's your best friend, someone that you'd love to catch up for coffee with, and she's got that nice personality. She's very helpful. So this is why she's gone viral, and this is why she's built a big following in such a short amount of time. And to make things even better, a lot of people want to learn what she's done, so it's very easy for her to make money. Hey everyone, I am back. I hope this video was really helpful for you and learning the different strategies, techniques, and the secret stuff that these creators are doing that really blows up their accounts and helps them, get millions or 500,000 followers in just a short amount of time frame. So if you like this video, please like the video. It'll really help me. I'm still a fairly new YouTube channel. I'll also be doing other videos like this with other creators, and I've got some very special people in mind. They've made multi-millions of dollars on YouTube and on Instagram, so I'm super excited to be sharing you what they've actually done over the last couple of years. And also, not only subscribe to my channel, but if you have a creator in mind that you'd love me to go over their strategy, what they're doing, their videos, and basically just pull apart their strategy so you can start implementing it into your marketing, let me know in the comments. It doesn't matter who it is, but if I see a certain name pop up all the time, I'm going to start doing videos for you on those specific people, because I know that it's going to help you become better marketers, make more money, and get more followers. So I'll leave it there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.